discussing these 5 in detail in the upcoming slides. Sorry for the bad handwriting. So as we discussed, amongst the key features of Indian Constitution, this is the first key feature that we will be discussing. Key feature of Indian Constitution. First key feature of Indian Constitution is federalism. The first key feature of Indian Constitution is federalism. Let's go. Federalism. Now, before going into what's federalism, I would like to visualize it and then go to the text part. Now, here you can see government divided into state government, central government, Panchayati Raj. So, by seeing this, I think you would have got an idea on what is federalism. Federalism. Okay, what is feder? Feder is group, right? Federal bank, you would have a federal bank. So federal is nothing but a group. Does this give you any idea of what's federalism? Okay, I'll tell you the answer. Federalism refers to the existence of more than one level of the government. Refers to existence of more than one level of government. So we see here the government is divided into central, state, panchayati. So we say that the government is divided, right? There are more than one level of government. This is the first level, second level, third level. There are 3 levels in the government in India. The state government, central government, Panchayati Raj. While each state in India enjoys autonomy in exercising power on certain issues, they are all bound to follow the laws of the central government in matters of national concern. Autonomy is nothing but freedom, we can say. Yeah. The second key feature of Indian Constitution that we will be discovering parliamentary form of government. Let's go. Parliamentary form of government. Now, seeing the word parliamentary, don't think that parliamentary form of government is just the way in which the government rules us by having parliaments through the parliament. This is actually a wrong way of understanding, but parliamentary form of government is way different. Eager to know what it is? Yes, we will be learning. It is a key feature of Indian Constitution which provides the different tiers of government shall constitute of the representatives elected by the people. It also guarantees universal adult franchise, right to vote for all citizens. You know what is universal adult franchise, right? Universal adult franchise or universal adult suffrage, both are same. Universal adult suffrage refers to right to vote. The right to vote for all the citizens, irrespective of any discrimination they are likely to face. Now, to summarize the 2 things we saw before, first key feature we saw was federalism. federalism. The second thing we saw was parliamentary. Just a minute. Parliamentary form of government. Parliamentary form of government is nothing but universal suffrage. The right to vote is given to all citizens. Separation of powers. Let's see. Now, I think in introduction, like first slide of this video, this thing, I would have shown you one division, right? Like this is divided into that. This, as the name suggests, separation of powers. The power or the power of Indian constitutional government is separated. Like it's not just one body doing all the work, it's different bodies doing different works together. Let's see it. Separation of powers. The Constitution of India recommends 3 organs of the state: the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. What is legislature? What is executive? What is judiciary? We will see it now. Legislature refers to our elected representatives, like the people whom we represent, the people whom we elect, the people who form the group of people whom we elect, the legislature. The executive refers to a small group of people who are responsible for implementing and running the implementing laws and running the government. So if you see here, this executive is nothing but a small group of people who are not elected. They are selected by the ruling party. So they are small people who are selected, not elected. These people are selected and are responsible for implementing the laws and running the government. Yes. The judiciary refers to the system of courts. So you know the courts, you know courts, right? If there is any injustice, we approach a court. Judiciary refers to the system of courts to stop the misuse of power of any branch of the country. It also ensures the balance of power between all 3 organs of the government. It ensures that misuse of power is not done, and it also ensures that laws are applicable for all the people, like everything is sure, everything is running properly. It ensures the balance of power between the 3 organs of the government. So you can see here, I'll remove all the fonts bit. You can see a constitution is divided into legislative, executive, judiciary. Legislative is divided into something. Executive is nothing. See, in executive, the president appoints the vice president. No, in executive, vice president elect the. The president elects the executive. Judiciary, example, Supreme Court. See, the picture is wrong here, sir.